Welcome back to the Big Risk channel. I'm going to be very quick today. I'm going to be very quick. I've had a long weekend, went to a festival, lost my sunnies, so you don't get to see my face today. But looks like majority of what we thought was going to play out had played out. Bitcoin dropped from our 91.5 down to 83, 84. I thought it would, at least go to 88, which it did because there's a lot of liquidity there. We did see on the liquidity map the other day that there was, a lot more down at the 86K level as well. It obviously grabbed all that. We're now settled in the golden pocket again. Now, what happens from here? I think it's all going to depend on the macroeconomic environment. We have obviously Japan raising the bonds, so to a lot of people that have taken loans out in Japan to spend elsewhere in the world, all of a sudden, that's not cheap money anymore. That's what we're seeing, this unwinding. We're also seeing a lot of fight around MicroStrategy, them having to potentially sell. Everything's going on all at once. Now, I'm of the opinion, look, the fear is high, but I still don't think this is the end. I don't think we go down from here. I think, like I've been saying, we play around here for a bit, and we're going to start going up again to make that right shoulder, like I said previously, and like what's happened here. We might get some scares below here. As long as we don't get a couple weekly closes below the 84K mark, I'm happy. I'm happy. But it played out as we suspected. ZCASH. I was in the longs here, obviously. I wasn't in the best state to actively manage my trades. I was in a very happy place, so I got stopped out a couple of times, and that's it for me. The whole point of the ZEC trade was because it initially was moving against Bitcoin. It had a lot of power. Bitcoin was going down. Zcash was still going up. We liked it. We thought maybe it was a contrarian trade, but as soon as it broke below 1, 2 levels, broke through, a Fibonacci level, forget it. It's now found some support at the golden pocket. So if it's going to bounce, it will probably be around this 330, 335 mark. Maybe it goes even lower to 305. But I dare say there might be a bounce, maybe a rejection at this trend line again at maybe the 400 mark, 350, whatever it is. But until it gets over this resistance, maybe bounces down here and then has a chance to move up again, it's not a long for me. And at this point, there's probably better risk to rewards because I think there's a lot of liquidity trapped around here now that's lost a bit of faith in it, that's going to want to get out. A lot of sell pressure, maybe not worth it. The XRP trade, we made a little bit of money here. I think we were in at 218. We sold. Now I love XRP. It's the majority of my portfolio. I love XRP at $2. I'm waiting for some funds to clear so I can buy some more spot. We might drop down to as far as the 188 mark. I buy spot at $2. If we get down to here, we wick down, 185. I buy long. I go long here. I'm not going long at $2. Okay. If you think we're going into a bear market and that is it for us for a while, obviously do not buy, wait. But I think that we're not done yet. I think this is a great opportunity. I think depending on David Sachs's announcement, big sort of speech tomorrow, it could be the catalyst we need to move up. Well, let's wait and see. Let's monitor the week. Until then, guard your capital with your life because it's an illiquid time coming into Christmas. It is risky. Minimize your risk. If anything, if you want to buy more, buy spot. That would be my advice. But yeah, take care. We'll see how the week plays out, and I'll see you on the next one.